Another common question that I get asked is, what should I look for when I'm actually buying a food trailer? As in, what should I actually look for from the supplier of the food trailer, okay? Well, first thing you want to make sure is they've actually got a physical location. You can see behind us, and I'll walk up there in a minute. This is our factory and our location, which is in South Murwillumbah, okay? The second thing you want to look for is they 100% guarantee compliance, okay? They should have a written thing guaranteeing compliance. Obviously, we do that, okay? The third thing you want to look for is, are they going to back up and offer you support? If you're buying from some random backyard or some random ad from China on Gumtree, then that's probably not going to give you backups and support. You're left completely on your own. You might save a few dollars, but you'll find out it's going to cost you a lot more in the long run because it doesn't comply, right? The other thing you'll also want to look at is, do they actually have trailers on display? Trailers that you can touch, feel and see, okay? And I guess another thing you might want to consider is, will they actually help you with the council permit? Do they have all the proper paperwork and procedures in place? Now, we'll go for a little walk up here and I'll quickly show you our location. Now, technically, even though it's not a legal name, it is actually called Food Truck Street. And this is our office just here. The guys are working away and so on and so forth. And you'll see we've got a proper setup. We manufacture the trailers. Everything's been done properly and so on and so forth, right? And this is the type of company you want to buy your food trailer from. And the reason why you want to buy the food trailer from someone that's got a proper setup, and we'll spin around here, you can see we're in a big industrial area and so on and so forth, right? Because we spend a lot of money to set this up, and we spend a lot of money to do things right, so you get a trailer that's proper and correct when it's all done. So hopefully that helps you understand what type of company should actually buy a food trailer from.